How to break recurring deposit in HDFC Bank. The very first thing that you'll do is to pull up or open up your HDFC application on your phone. Now, once you have accessed it, make sure that you're logged in to your account using your ID or your net banking ID and then your password. Now, once you have successfully logged in on your dashboard, you will be able to select a liquidated recurring deposit option under the fixed deposit menu on your left side portion of your phone. Now, once you selected on a specific amount in which you will be breaking the recurring deposit, you'll have now then an option below to break recurring deposit. Now, once you have tapped on break recurring deposit, HDFC Bank will provide you confirmation for your selected options. Now, once you have selected successfully, all you have to do is to confirm it for you to be able to confirm on breaking your recurring deposit on HDFC Bank. Once you have successfully bricked or confirmed that option, you will receive a confirmation from your email address associated with your HDFC Bank account. Now, once everything is confirmed, your current money or your current fund will be automatically deposited on your current savings from your HDFC Bank account. So that's it. That's how you break recurring deposit on HDFC Bank.